The process of keyword research. First, brainstorming. Begin by brainstorming a list of relevant topics and terms related to your businesses, products, or services. Second, keyword tools. Use keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, SEMrush, Moz Keyword Explorer to find keywords related to your topics. These tools provide a data on search volume, competitors, and other valuable metrics. Third, analyze and select. Analyze the keywords you found and select the most relevant and valuable ones for your website. Consider factors like search volume, keyword difficulty, and relevance to your content. Fourth, long-tail keywords. Don't forget long-tail keywords, which are most specific and often easier to rank for. These can be valuable for targeting niche audiences. Fifth, groupings and organizing. Group your keywords into teams or categories. This will help you structure your website and content effectively. Keyword research is an ongoing process because search trends and user behavior evolve over time. And regularly revisiting and updating your keyword strategy is essential to maintain and improve your online visibility.